Hello boys and girls, Ice Cream Gecko here. Welcome to this roller coaster ride of emotions that we are experiencing right now. I've bought something which is the Trangia spirit burner, the little alcohol stove that is known around the world. And today we're not reviewing this because I've never used it. It just came into the mail like 30 minutes ago, something like that. I don't know, probably more. I don't know, I'm just recording this video. Procrastination at top levels. That's what it is right now. Let's take a look at the outside of the box real quick. There, and there, and there, there, and there, and there too. So that should work for that. Let's take it out of the box right away. I mean, there's not that much to talk about. I just bought this because I wanted to have a little stove for future camping trips, something like this. And the spit burner that I have, the little pocket stove, you know, it's just not cutting it like I want it to. And a bit of alcohol, you know, it's easy to get to. More widely available spirit burners, you know, they are known. Spirit burner comes in this little Trangia plastic bag, and here it is. I've got one. I finally got one. That's great, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I know. Achtung, heiß. That's what's on top of here. Caution, hot would be the translation for it. This is the little simmer cap. Yeah, you can adjust this. You can adjust the heat that's getting to your food, and you can also use this. You should use this to extinguish the flame, because on the inside of here, this little lid, there is an O-ring, and the O-ring doesn't like to be burned. Self-explanatory, I guess. Let's see if I can get this into, yeah, right way up. You can read that. You can read this if you want to. It's a bit small, but you can pause the video. You have to click on the screen right now. Yeah, that's it. Great one. But that's already it for the whole thing, because there isn't much to it. There's a double wall design right here. There's a bit of fiberglass mesh in the inner wall of this, you know, behind that little wall right there, to soak up the spirit, the alcohol, and help to burn it in these jets on the outside. Not much more to it. So I'm going to give you a few outside looks of it, and then I think we are through already. Upside down, right side up. That's where we are. This is going to be it for this video. Maybe I'll have some use videos of it, some real review of it, but then again, there's a lot of, you know, there are many videos out there already on how to use this thing, how it performs, but I still haven't found a real close-up video or an unboxing of this thing, so that's the purpose of this video. And on this, it is time to end. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you liked it, and leave a dislike if you didn't. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you want to, and you can also subscribe. Yeah, join the 100 people that I have gathered around me in the process of 4 years. Hell yeah. See you next week. Bye.